If you're looking for the ultimate contrast in a single bite, you've found it. Today we're making Bala Baiana, also known as glass candy. It features a rich, creamy coconut center wrapped in a signature crisp caramel shell. It's sweet, tropical, and incredibly addictive. Let's get into it. To a pan, combine 240 grams of condensed milk and 20 grams of butter. Place the pan over medium-low heat and stir until the butter is all melted. Then add 35 grams of unsweetened shredded coconut. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens and starts to pull away from the bottom of the pan. Transfer the mixture to a plate, let it cool for a few minutes, cover it, and then refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Once chilled, roll into small uniform balls, about 15 grams each, and then place them on parchment paper. Now let's get our caramel ready. To a small saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, and half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Place the pan over medium-low heat and slowly stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Now stop stirring. You will start to see small bubbles form, and then the bubbles will get larger and larger. You can shake the pan from time to time, but don't stir until the mixture starts to change color. You see how the color has changed slightly? Now it's time to stir. Remove the syrup from the heat once the color is golden yellow like this. Now we have to move quick. Using a toothpick, coat each ball with the sugar syrup and place them on a plate lined with parchment paper. And there you have it, perfectly glazed Bala Baiana with that signature glass crunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to Ooh La La, where we give you the exact measurements and clear step-by-step instructions so you get the same consistent, delicious results every single time you cook. Thanks for watching. See you next time.